Hi, I'm Ileana Lopez Balboa, and welcome to this palatial townhouse in the heart of the Upper East Side. I promise you, every inch of this 6-story, 7,000 square foot home will impress you. It was designed and built just a few years ago by famed architect Stephen Harris. And one of his major themes was to make this townhouse feel like it's been here for 100 years, yet still completely modern. And this combination between the modern and the traditional can be seen in the facade, with its huge casement windows and decorative column details. This design theme also continues as you enter the garden floor. Here you pass not only a European sauna and steam room, but also this impressive home office. But the home really comes alive when you come up the stairs to this floor. Let's start in the middle with this dining area, which can easily seat 14 people. But I particularly love this mid-century inspired accent wall that cascades light throughout. And speaking of light, you're surrounded by it with these huge casement windows on both sides. And those windows are why I love this kitchen so much. I think you can even get a tan while doing the dishes. It's got all the luxuries you would expect, including Calacatta gold marble backsplash and counters, custom Korean cabinetry, and of course, space. And this den is a perfect place to host or just unwind, whether cozying up to a fire in the winter or taking things outside, especially when it's warm and sunny. This lovely terrace overlooks the garden and is in fact one of the home's 3 outdoor spaces. Let's head upstairs, shall we? Up here is the more formal living room, but like everything else in this home, it feels relaxed and welcoming. The owners wanted everything to have a vibe of a Tribeca loft, but with hints of traditional uptown elegance in things like the moldings and the wide plank floors. I love this serene window banquette that overlooks the garden. And speaking of serene, there's even a library on this floor, which is currently configured as the cutest little nursery. Cute, right? Now let's go see the main bedroom. The owner's suite takes up this entire floor and includes a marble spa-like bathroom, a double dressing room, and this dreamy bedroom. These floor-to-ceiling windows ensure plenty of natural light and frames beautiful views of the foliage. And even though 82nd Street is down below, it's still completely quiet. This is the kind of room that makes you feel like you're part of nature and the city. And our last area happens to do that too. Follow me. This north-south roof terrace is one of those perfect only in New York spaces. And it happens to be the perfect place to end this tour. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at this modern take on a traditional townhouse. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?